It's where ideas leave the page and become real, and there is no other subject that involves creative thinking, engineering, designing, and bringing them all together. So it really is quite a unique subject. I would have to say creative, hands-on, and empowering. I'd say creative because students get to bring their bold ideas to life. Hands-on because in the lessons, the students are actively using the tools and the machines and they're learning through doing. And empowering because the students are independent and they'll build confidence, which will improve their problem-solving skills. And those problem-solving skills, they will take with them through their life. We have a combination of traditional tools, things like wood-turning lathes. We also have tools that are a little bit more innovative, like the 3D printers and the CNC router cam. We also use laser cutters, and we also use a variety of hand tools as well in the department. The Design and Technology Workshop is a safe and productive environment. The students are taught how to use the machines safely. This means that they can independently use the machines and create products that they are truly proud of. Every member of staff in our department is trained and regularly attends safety training to ensure the best practice. So this is one of the products that we have made with Year 10. This is a Bluetooth speaker. The students completely make it from start to finish, all by themselves. So this includes the electronics inside. They also do some computer-aided design, and then they use the laser cutter to create the finished product. So it fully functions, and they are very proud of it, and they can't wait to take it home. The future is full of complex challenges, and we need designers, makers, and engineers to find solutions to those problems. This is what excites me, and we give our students the mindset and the skills to not be afraid to tackle those real-world problems.